Can you merge two Roblox accounts? If you have different progresses saved on different Roblox accounts and you are thinking of merging them because you have plenty of Robux in one and plenty of redeemed gift cards in another or anything like that, you might just want to merge two accounts into one account. However, to break you the news, you cannot unfortunately merge two Roblox accounts into one because the platform itself does not offer us such a feature for it, and there isn't an official way to transfer items, Robux, or other assets between accounts. Now, while some users have suggested workarounds such as manually transferring experiences or using third-party tools to run multiple clients, I wouldn't really recommend them because these are not official methods and don't achieve a true merging like you might be looking for it. Hopefully in the future, if Roblox might come up with such an update, I will also make sure to update you about it. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.